There are now 3 lawsuits filed against Camp Mystic. Behind us, the 27 campers and counselors who died in the flood, now remembered as Heaven's 27.
Now some of their families are looking to a judge and jury for justice. Tonight, Amanda Henderson is taking a look at what happens next and how these lawsuits could all play out.
Yeah, Ron and Mia, we've had a lot of questions about what comes next now that the lawsuits are filed and the families say that Camp Mystic didn't do enough to protect their girls. Our station's legal expert says the path towards piecing together what happened on July 4th is just beginning.
3 lawsuits paint a scathing picture, alleging Camp Mystic was ill-prepared for the catastrophic July 4th floods in which 27 of their campers and counselors died.
The message is quite clear that they are holding Camp Mystic responsible for not listening to the warnings that were coming from state-mandated and national weather services in evacuating that camp.
We spoke with our KHOU 11 legal expert, Carmen Rowe, about the details in the lawsuits, which include requests for a jury trial and allegations of gross negligence.
What specifically would have to be proven in a jury trial to hold Camp Mystic accountable for what they say is gross negligence?
So Texas case law makes clear that a natural disaster does not absolve anyone of liability if reasonable precautions were not taken and if there were known risks that they did not warn individuals of.
The 9 families suing say Camp Mystic did not warn them of what they call a, quote, dangerous condition. Earlier today, the family of Ellen Gedden, who died in the flooding, spoke to CNN with their lawyer.
We would never have sent either of our children to that camp if we were aware. I'd never heard the term flash flood alley until post July 4th.
Camp Mystic responding by saying in part, quote, we disagree with several accusations. We will thoroughly respond to these accusations in due course.
Camp Mystic's response to these lawsuits is going to be that this was an unprecedented, unreasonable situation that they could not have foreseen because it's never happened before. The problem with that is, as you say, this fact that Camp Mystic lost more children and more counselors than any of the other camps that were along the Guadalupe River.
And we've continually looked into this since these lawsuits came to us yesterday. But now that they are filed, Rowe says they will begin the discovery process. The legal teams, they're going to move to request not only documents, but also information to build their cases.
The latest chapter in a story that is far from over, really just only beginning. Amanda Henderson tonight. Thank you.